Namaste, how are you all doing? I'm sure you all must be doing so very great. Welcome back to our channel, and I'm back with to share one of the most interesting, most flavorful, most delicious and everyone's favorite recipe. It is biryani, but this is veg biryani that I'm gonna share, which can be ready in just 30 minutes. Yeah, I have tried myself and it worked. Usually we complicate biryani with lots of marination process. This definitely need a marination process if you want most flavorful and delicious biryani. But if you are craving to eat biryani with loads of flavors, then ad hoc you can start working on this project. Yeah, the biryani. So just take 30 minutes of preparation time and not more than that. So let's see how we can prepare biryani in 30 minutes. But before we start, I just remind you something, that few things needs to go parallelly when we are preparing biryani on an ad hoc basis. Immediately we want it to be ready and served. So few things has to go parallelly. So let's see what are the process to prepare and what are the things that has to go parallelly. And before I start working on this biryani recipe, I want you to do also one more thing. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe now. And if you like my recipe, please do not hesitate to like, share and give your comments. If you don't give me comments, how would I know where I'm going wrong? Alright.
Firstly, I'm going to rinse and soak 2 cups of basmati rice for about 10 minutes. And next will be marination process of vegetables. In vegetables, I have taken cauliflower, carrot, beans and potato. And to this, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon biryani masala powder, 3 tablespoon curd or yogurt, and 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix all the ingredients and let it rest for 10 minutes. Step 2. We need to boil water to cook rice and a pan where all spices and vegetables will be cooked. To the pot of water, add 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera. Also add few spices, that is cinnamon, star anise, cloves, cardamom, bay leaves, and also 2 slits of green chilies. Let it boil. In the pan, I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I put few dry spices, cinnamon and bay leaf, and 1 big onion finely chopped. Also 3 to 4 slit green chilies. Cook the onions until it turns translucent. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to the fried onions. Also 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to the rice pot. Give a quick mix. It's time to cook the marinated vegetables. Add the vegetables and 2 chopped tomatoes to the pan. Give a quick mix and let it cook for 5 minutes with lid covered. Step 3. To the water pot, add salt and drizzle 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Now it's time to add rice that we have soaked 10 to 12 minutes ago. We need to let the rice cook only 80%, as rest 20% of cooking will continue while the biryani is set for dum along with vegetables. Rice has started boiling and now it's time to strain the starch. Just before I strain it, I'm going to squeeze half a lime juice. By doing so, it will let the rice remain as single grain and they do not stick to each other. Strain the water and layer it over the cooked vegetables. Spread it evenly and sprinkle bit of garam masala and generous 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now layer it up with handful of mint and coriander leaves. Finally, cover it up with aluminum foil. Put the lid back and let it cook in very low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's check it out. See, the rice is nicely cooked and remained as single grain. Amazingly tasty vegetable biryani is ready in 30 minutes. Thank you. If you enjoyed watching, go ahead and give a big thumbs up. Also, do not hesitate to share. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and do it now. I will be back with one more interesting recipe. Until then, keep cooking and bye.